A civil authority has issued radiological hazard warning for the following counties or areas: Henry, Houston, Alabama, at 9:39 a.m. on December 13, 2023, effective until 10:39 a.m. This is a test of the Farley alert systems by Houston County, Henry County, Alabama, and Early County, Georgia, emergency management agencies. This is the annual test of all emergency notification systems for Plant Farley. Today at 12 CST, the sirens around Plant Farley will be activated. This is a test. No actions are necessary at this time. No actions are necessary.